Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos, Creative Creations. I'm Latoya and thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel to hang out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you quickly how easy it is for you to customize your Rice Krispie Treats labels that you purchase from us. You either purchase these from our Etsy shop or over on our website. And after your purchase, you're going to receive a link that's going to take you directly to Canva to that particular design that you purchase. For this example, this is a barnyard theme. So when your labels pull up, you will be able to click on the edible text. You would just click on it, double click and highlight and start typing in your personalized text. There you have it. And you either can take this and duplicate it, delete this, and move it over here. Or you could have just came over to the second label, double click, and start typing in the name again. And that's it, guys. And after you finish, you can go up to the top, save it as a PDF, or you can save it as an image if you need to, and download. And after that, you just print and assemble. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of my pre-made party favors, you can head on over to my Etsy shop and also check out my website. If you still have questions, please drop them down in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.